Hi again, it's Johnny from Balloons Delivered Las Vegas. I just wanted to talk about an accessory kit we have. It's called the Birthday Girl Accessory Kit. And let me show you what's inside of it. First, the kit will come with a lot of tissue paper on it. We took it off to make it a little faster today. Inside there'll be a Ziploc bag. Inside the Ziploc bag is everything in the kit. We keep it in the bag so you don't miss anything. I don't want you to throw it out at the bottom of the kit by accident. So let me show you what's inside. The first item I come to is a Birthday Girl sash. Beautiful. The second one's a happy birthday button. The third one is beads and beads and beads. Happy birthday. The fourth one is a beautiful metal and glitter tiara. It says Birthday Girl. Not plastic, metal. Beautiful. And the last one, happy birthday sunglasses. We're in Vegas. You need sunglasses. We also have other kits for different ages. We have the 21st birthday kit, the 30th birthday kit, 40th birthday, 50th birthday, 60th birthday kits. We have kits for everything. We also have other kits. Wow, we do have kits for everything. We have party deco kits for happy birthday with all decorations for your room. We have tableware kits with plates that say celebrate and napkins and tablecloths. We have it all. Even birthday candles here at Balloons Delivered Las Vegas.